One thing that comes up on, that I think Chaim told me about it rather than actually seeing it, but I could visualize it. They had one young man in their repertory group who played the Hasid, sort of like the spiritual type guy. And when he came into on the stage, into a home, there would be a door, and he'd come running in. He'd kiss the mezuzah, right? So they had another play in which he had to play a Kozak. There was going to be a pogrom, you know, and had church bells ringing and all that. And he's got a Kozak uniform on. He walks in, kisses the mezuzah just by having it. That brought down the house. You know.